Airbags are a critical life-saving feature in cars that protects passengers from hitting the interior of the vehicle or objects outside during a collision. In this video, we will take you through the journey of airbag housing pass, which contains the airbags and supporting sensors. The airbag module inside steering wheel is a compact one. Now let's see how the housing pass for co-pilot is manufactured through hydraulics. Raw material. The raw material will be sourced from various metallurgical industries as per requirements. Here, the airbag housing is made up of metal alloy called SPFC 440. SPFC 440 is a low carbon steel that contains aluminium, magnesium, ferrum, carbon, and oxygen with thickness of around 0.6 mm to 2.3 mm. Material transformation stage by stage. See the step-by-step transformation of a metal sheet into an airbag housing. Stage 1. Hydraulic press. The sheets will be cut into rectangular plates based on the required design and is taken to various hydraulic presses. This stage is a hydraulic press which exerts nearly 200 tons of pressure. Before pressing, the iron mold will be preset based on the design specifications. The plates are dipped into coolant solution, which is a mixture of coolant oil and water. The coolant protects the plates from deformities when high pressure is applied. The coolant also provides lubrication and corrosion resistance to metals. After hydraulic press, the molds are placed into the crates and are allowed to dry before taking it to power press. This is how the plates will be transformed after going into the hydraulic press. Stage 2. Power press. In the next stage, the housing is taken into power press with pressure of 100 tons. Here the pressing is done in order to produce grooves on the housing. After power press, the housing will be arranged in the crates for further processing. Post power press, this is how the housing will look like. Stage 3. Pneumatic press. The housing pass after power press will be taken to pneumatic press. Here two presses will happen simultaneously, one of which is to remove excess material and the other is to punch a hole, which will be used for mounting airbags. The pneumatic press applies around 100 tons of pressure to precisely punch the housing module. The scrap from both the presses will be accumulated for recycling. Stage 4 Power Press. The punched materials after pneumatic press are transferred to the power press in stage 4. In the first press of stage 4, the manufacturer details will be imprinted on the module. In the second press, the grooves will be bent, which completes the housing module. Here 100 tons pressure of power press is used. This will be the final structure of housing pass post all stages of presses. The housing pass acts as a container that will hold the airbags and also helps in mounting the crash sensors. Industries like this are capable of producing 500 housing passes per day. Quality check. Each airbag module will be checked for manufacturing defects and quality as per safety regulations and standards to ensure their effectiveness in protecting people in the event of a crash. Delivery. Post quality checks, the modules will be accumulated and sent to delivery for further assembly. Every year, approximately 1.3 million people worldwide lose their lives in car accidents. That's an average of 3,287 deaths per day. So the next time you sit in a car, take a moment to appreciate the amble airbag. It might just be the device that saves your life one day.